Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, this group of students will present about their project in C programming. So I would like to invite Mr. Farhad to start the presentation. So you may proceed.
Okay, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
So we are from group 1, R1B. We are going to present, run and demo about our project is about parking system. So first of all, I want to give some short intro for our system. First of all, we make the projects in a small company only, not just a big commercial building or supermarket. Just a small company just need to view our project to their system. So they need the parking system program. So they told us to make the program. So in our programming, we have a bit of weaknesses. So we just do a trial to the company to make sure they can influence about our program and projects. So I will represent my parts, and the other parts will be presented by my teammate. So first of all, okay, in our system, we do the alternative step. So when the customer enter the parking lot, so we just register the details, and after that we just do the process, and then administrator just do their work, just change the parking rate. So in our program, we just do a print process. Print process is about print ticket. So when the customer enter the parking lot, so we just enter the register, and then the details of information of customer will be print, and the ticket need to keep to make sure the pay process is easier to user to work on it. So this time, so this is my part. I will show this menu of this system program. So in our programming, we have 4 choices. There is staff, user, to pay, 3 administrator, and 4 is a program. So for staff, user just for register of customer detail. Other than that, pay will include the elimination of availability and the pay process, and administrator just to change the rate parking. So for the customer register, first when the customer enter the parking lot, we just fill in their data, such as then we include the names and the plate, the number, and also their time in. So right, say the name is Ahmad, such as, and then the plate number is JMK, which also be JKL, or signal, and then the time in. So the time in, we just from 0 to 24 hours. So we just put the integer from 0 to 24. So if they enter in 8 AM, just we put the 8 only. So then after that we will display the customer detail for print the ticket, and after that list of parking. So list of parking, what I said just now, we just do a trial for the company. So we do not have a wide lot parking, so we just do a 3 lot parking only. So in the 3 lot, we need to make sure the lot parking is empty. So if the users see the lot is empty, and then user will pick the lot parking that they want. So such as is lot 2. So in lot 2, we have set the each lot have their code. So when lot 2, we have a code as it is 1, 2, 3. So and then we go to the print process. Print process is to make sure the, if the shift will be exchanged, the shift of user will be exchanged. So they don't want, they do not know the time if of customer, right? So the alternative of the alternative step for us, just do print ticket. So it's easier to the other shift to enter the data and make a pre-process. So after that, when pre-process, we just print, and then ready to print it, we connect it to the printer and then just print the ticket and give to the customer. So customer need to keep it and need to give it back to us to make pre-process. So it's my part, and the other part for pre-process and pakai availability. So we go into Amirah.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about demo for availability of parking lot. So when the customer had given the ticket to the user or the staff, the user or the staff had to uh, eliminate the parking lot by the customer, like how the customer choose parking lot 2. So they will input the parking lot 2 to be eliminated so that the parking lot will be empty and available for other customer after that. This is to make the function of this is to make the staff or the customer from confused which one is available and which one is unavailable. And then they will input the parking code based on the ticket. Okay, continuity of Amirabat. We had already chosen to eliminate. So we we enter the parking code which is 1233. Then exit uh time in is 9 and time out is 9. Usually if we enter the code, time will exit automatically, but we cannot do it. Then we use a manual method by looking at the time on the ticket. Then we will make the payment. Customer will make the payment, and rate for 1 hour is RM1.
Alright, let's say if the user is an admin, so they will choose the third option, the administrator option. Okay. First, if they want to see the current rate of parking, first the admin will enter their name. And the admin, for example, the admin name is admin, and then they will enter their password. And after that, after they have successfully enter the correct password and user and name, they will proceed to continue to see the current rate of parking. Okay, let's say if the time in is 8 and the timeout is 9. And then the system will display that the current rate is 4 ringgit per 1 hour. So if the admin want to change the rate parking, they have to change the rate manually, like from the coding part, because since we are a small company, not really have that much knowledge how to automatically change the current rate in the program. And then after, let's say if the user or admin are done with their things, and they will choose the 4 option to exit the program. And then the system will display all the information about our company, like our first programmer and second programmer, and and who the one that do the report and prepare it. And that's all.
Okay, that's all about our run.
Okay, thank you very much. So can you show me the code?
We will introduce about my part first. Okay, first of all, for my part, I will do about uh, display of menu. So this is my coding. So this is the display. So in my function, I will use switch menu. So in for option, I will do case 1, case 2, case 3, and 4. So why I'm sure that you will see my case is too long coding, right? So because of what? Yeah, because first of all, before that we do the declaration at the bottom, but we need to call the function, but we can't. We have any problem. We have problem, such error and logic error. Other than that, so we do just copy the declaration and just put in case 2 and case 3 and case 4 also. So when the this menu, so for choices I will use switch menu. And after that, about register, I will declare on at the bottom. Okay, this is about register. Okay, so in my coding, I will use the function switch menu, and so the control if else and nested if else. So you will just do the character and then digital data types. After that, just put this is about enter the register, enter the details, and then we will view the data. After that, about this parking. So we just do 3 lot parking only. So other than that, we just use switch function. So in case 1, case 2, case 3, will be a variable of x is for lot 1, and then z for lot 2, for lot 3. So I do if nested if else because of what? Because I want to, when we pick the case 1, we will display the available and code, so the lot is filled. So in each lot, I will setting their code. So when we choose the lot, so we display like a demo just now. So yes, and then this about system for print, and then when we print, will be call back the main menu. So we will go back to the menu option. Okay, that's another part for it.
Right. So my question is, let's say the company wants you to add the lot. So currently your lot is 3, right?
Yes.
You only create 3 lots for the parking. So let's say the company wants to add to 5 lot. So from 3, they need you to change to 5 lot. So where do the codes change? Where do you need to change the code?
How? Yeah.
So
So
company nak tambah kepada 5. So kat
okay.
mana dalam coding you You need to change. Kat mana you nak tukar. So you
Okay. For generally, for me, I think I will, for generally, the coding is too long when we need to file. Not because of what, yes, I just do the manually. So there's a lot, and then you see that I have 3 choice. So I need to do 5 case because we do 5 lot, right? So and then we just do the same steps, but I just need to add the coding. But we just change the choices and also their code. For generally for me, yes.
So how about the array? Did you use any array for the lot? Awak ada guna array tak untuk
For this, I have tried to do array, but I don't know to fix it because when I do array, it just error, and then legit error also. So I don't think so, and then I just do the manually.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Right, so next, siapa? Amira.
Yeah.
Okay, your part is
So my part is for the availability of parking lot. So in this one, I use function of array, include 1, 2, or 3. So here, it will display lot 1 or lot 2 and lot 3.
okay.
And then the user will choose either 1 or 2 or 3 to be eliminated. So they'll just insert which one they want to eliminate, and then the one that they choose will be empty for other customer to take it.
Okay.
Park their cars.
So right, it's okay. So in your coding, in your part, okay. So you have you need the customer to enter the code that they receive when they come in, right? Bahagian Farhad tadi kan, bahagian Farhad tadi bila masuk, you give them a code. Awak bagi dorang code, right? So bila bahagian awak, bila bahagian Amira, diorang nak keluar, so diorang kena bagi code tu lah. Diorang kena present the code, right? Am I right, Amira?
Yes, they
Okay.
give the ticket.
So where does you check the code? Dekat part mana awak check code tu? Code yang customer kena bagi untuk diorang keluar.
For the code, we do so when pay process. So after when do pay process, do the elimination of activity.
Okay. So before the pay, sebelum dia bayar, kan?
Yes.
Sebelum dia nak bayar lot mana apa benda semua tu. So dia kena bagi code, betul? Code yang awak bagi masa awal masa dia masuk, right? Okay, kat bahagian mana yang dia check code tu? Mesti dia kena check code kan untuk dia keluar.
Yes, sir. Part ni.
Okay, that one is untuk dia enter the code, untuk dia present the code, macam dia tunjuk tiket lah. So part mana in the coding yang you compare ataupun you check whether the code is valid or not, valid or invalid? Ada tak? Kau main masuk je kod, tak kisah betul-betul.
Yes. Totally. I think not invalid.
Macam tu lah. Maksudnya kalau kod tu invalid pun dia still boleh keluar and bayar parking lah. Alright. Next. Batin. Batin part mana Batin?
My part at line 206 until 215.
Baik. Habis Amira tadi part line mana?
Combine. So we combine just do in one function.
Amira dengan Batin satu function. Fungsi.
Yeah, because of what? Because I think when compile, first of all I just separate them, and then yes, that's a big problem. Then we do not
Function.
have any solution.
Function that you have. Berapa function dalam program ni?
First, 1, and then 2, 3, and 4. So generally, and
Name the function. Main satu.
okay, main, and
Main.
then page. So first of all, yeah, we officially we declare just do this, not such as this.
So tak ada function. So, okay, that one function n. Function untuk
Yes.
keluar. N lah, ending. So you ada dua function je lah. Main dengan n.
Okay.
Function tahu tak function tu apa? So you only have two function lah. Sebab yang lain-lain, everything else you combine into main function, right?
Okay.
N yang tadi pun untuk print saja, print F je. Tak ada benda lain kan dalam N tu. So tak apa lah, it's okay. So Fatin punya di mana? Dekat kod tu
Yes.
Fatin. Ni saya tanya Fatin lah. Farhat, let lu bagi Fatin
Okay.
jawab. Fatin tak ada markah. Right. So total tu, total price adalah based on hours lah. Kan?
Yes.
Okay. So time in dengan time out awak buat dalam bentuk apa? Jenis apa variable time in dengan time out tu? Jenis apa? Time in dengan time out jenis apa? Variable dia jenis apa? Variable untuk time in dengan variable untuk time out jenis apa? Awak yang buat kan?
Saya buat.
So awak lah yang pilih variable ni jenis apa. So jenis apa? Tak tahu tak apa. Jenis apa Pak?
I think integer.
Yes, okay, thank you. Jenis integer sebab time in dengan time out awak buat persen D. Persen D itu integer lah. Lepas tu saya tanya tadi, awak ke yang buat? Tapi macam awak tak tahu apa. Betul Fatin? Betul awak yang buat?
Ya, betul saya buat.
Saya tanya jenis pun awak tak tahu jenis apa? Jenis integer je pun. Okay, another question. Part mana lagi awak buat?
Part ni je saya buat.
Part tu je awak buat. So daripada berapa ratus line ni? Berapa ratus line awak semua? Sekurang 400.
200 lebih.
302. Daripada 302 tu awak hanya buat berapa line ni? 10 line ni je. 6 sampai 16 lah. 10 line ngam-ngam. 10 line daripada 300. So 1/30 je bagian awak. Betul? Yang lain Amira buat. Farhat buat.
Sebenarnya dia tak panjang pun je, tapi sebab kita orang tak tahu macam nak call balik function tu juga. Mungkin kita orang keliru macam nak buat function tu. Mungkin kita just declare in one function and then we buat case formula tu, just copy paste.
Tak apalah, tapi Fatin punya part yang je lah kan? Tak ada yang lain.
Yes.
Okay, tak apalah. Line nombor 207 ada satu scan F kan?
Yes.
Variable pay. Apa kegunaan or what is the use of variable pay? Variable pay tu untuk apa? Gunanya untuk apa? Variable pay tu.
Variable pay to untuk nak tahu harga yang customer kena bayar waktu dia nak keluar parking.
Okay. So pay tu adalah harga untuk bayar lah. Harga lah. Harga untuk bayar. Harga untuk bayar. Maksudnya parking fee dia lah. Okay. Tapi dekat dalam line 215, kalau tengok line 215, total price dia tak refer pada pay, dia refer pada sum. Total price yang customer kena bayar dia refer pada sum, dia tak refer pada pay. So pay tu bukannya harga yang customer kena bayar. So sebenarnya sebenarnya bukan. So pay tu untuk apa sebenarnya? Awak yang buat kan?
Saya buat.
Part ni awak 10 line ni awak yang buat. Pay tu untuk apa? Saya nak tanya. Awak kata untuk bayaran. Maksudnya berapa bayar yang dia kena bayar. Tapi line 215 dia tak refer pada pay, dia refer pada sum. So pay tu function dia apa guna dia? Apa dia ada? So, kita move to Hasbi lah. Macam mana awak? Cepat sikit kot sebab dah tinggal berapa minit je lagi ni.
Okay. The one the calling that I do is for the admin. Okay. The function that I use is string. String is strcmp. Okay. First, the firstly we use printf and to write the login first for the admin. Okay. First, from line 2 to 3 until 222 is just we printf how to write, like we used to write the inter name and inter password, and then after that we use while to password to from line 235 until line 239. This all of this is to make the password that we enter are invisible. Like just now we enter is all star. Okay. And after that, if after we successfully to we use if else. Okay. This one at line 245 if we have said that the username is admin, and then the string for the password is 12345. Okay.
Hold on. Tak apa, saya kalau awak present keseluruhan awak punya coding nanti panjang sangat. Okay, saya tanya satu bahagian je lah.
Alright.
Line 245. Line 245.
Yes.
Okay, kat situ ada two things yang you check. Username dengan password. So soalan saya adalah bahagian mana dalam line tu, dalam line 245 tu, dalam tu yang menandakan atau menunjukkan that proof that awak kena check, bukan kena check, maksud username kena betul, password kena betul, dua-dua kena betul baru dia proceed ke dalam welcome. Part mana ataupun simbol mana?
Simbol yang macam N, yang double
N tu. Itu maksud dia apa? Simbol tu maksud dia?
Explain.
PM betul.
Dia macam ya kalau anda katakan kalau admin tu dia macam bawa kalau username password betul dia macam bawa ke bahagian yang seterusnya.
Terusnya
Ada kata
line nombor apa?
ke line 247.
Okay. Kalau salah satu salah, katakan
Kalau-
username betul, password salah.
Kalau,
Dia
kalau,
pergi mana?
kalau salah dia akan ke else, iaitu dia akan bawa ke line 254 yang dia kan
Kalau username salah, password betul, dia pergi mana?
pun sama juga, dia akan beri ke situ juga.
Right, so saya rasa tu je lah kot. Sorry lah Hasbi, saya tak sempat nak dengar punya presentation semua. Sebab kita dah kesentukan masa. So thank you very much for this group. Thank you for your presentation. So I will proceed to the next group. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.